Often we observe that the popular is a better performer, although this is one of the paradoxes associated with the bioinformatics tools in the case of gene set analysis. Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya Johari and I'll be putting forth my arguments in support of the statement. Gene set analysis or GSA involves comparing a query gene set, a list or a rank of differentially expressed genes, for example, to a reference database using a particular statistical method in order to interpret it as a rank of significant pathways, functionally related gene sets, or ontology terms. Basically, we have two modest goals for the project. First is to build tools for gauging the popularity and performance of the gene set analysis methods, and the second is to elucidate any coherence between those attributes. For popularity, we have constructed a database of GSA references we call GSA-RefDB, which is a compendium of 350 papers of GSA methods, 91 references to papers for non-mRNA GSA tools, and 62 reviews or benchmarking studies. Amongst other information, GSA-RefDB also stores citation count of each manuscript that is the basis of popularity. To ascertain performance, we have assembled together results from reviews and benchmark studies, and also crafted a couple of tools, GR or Genomic Range Shiny and SS or Single Sample Shiny for a open benchmarking platform called GSA Benchmarking. The current version of GR Shiny compares execution of GREAT, Seek to Pathway, Chip Enrich, Broad Enrich, and Enricher, while SS Shiny documents GRAPE, Pathifier, Plage, Z-score, GSVA, SSGSEA over a supplied benchmark data. From the research timeline, we find that GSEA is the all-time popular method with maximum citation count. The others that follow are Cluster Profiler, GoSeek, Enricher, David, and Clugo. Our study also establishes that the software written in R programming language and web-based applications find the maximum usage. We show that the overrepresentation analysis methods are higher in performance, and among functional class scoring methods is PADOC, Plage and Pathifier among single sample methods, and PathNet and SEPA among topology-based methods. In terms of the relationship between popularity and performance, we found lesser instances of performance studies that generally recommended the unpopular methods. This is a striking observation to make because benchmark data provides us with a normalized performance metric for a tool and is a more viable alternative to base the performance of a tool upon. The tool GSEA holds a special distinction in this case. In summary, it is crucial to make appropriate choice for a tool in any scientific study. We argue that the consolidated attribute of performance popularity for a tool could provide for a fair selection. Additionally, we introduce GSA-RefDB and GSA benchmarking as platforms in support of making the tool selection process well-rounded. In closing, we would like to compliment members of the Mora Lab and school administration for their distinguished support. Thank you for your time.